Hey everyone, this is Suhail here. In this video, I'll be demonstrating you how you can charge water using Sanjeevini with Pendulum. As you can see, I have my iPad here, which has got this throat and tonsil Sanjeevini. I have this stopwatch timer to record the time taken to charge the water with the Sanjeevini. Now what I'm gonna do is keep my left hand 3 fingers on the Sanjeevini and the pendulum will hover over the glass of water. There you go. It has started spinning the moment I hover the pendulum over the water. And now I'm just going to let it spin and wait. As you can see, the total time taken was around 1 minute 57 seconds. This is Suhail signing off. Thank you for watching this video.